award. Sino maka-experience? Sino gusto?
Our second runner-up with an average score of 74.4%. Our second runner-up goes to candidate number 7. Our second runner-up goes to candidate number 5. Congratulations, candidate number 5. Maybe call on Miss Dita and Miss Delia to award to our Miss STV and first runner-up. Done. Candidate number 1 and candidate number 4. Please come forward. Our first runner-up will be awarded by Miss Decan, and our Miss STV 2025 will be awarded by our reigning queen, Miss Dahlia. Alright. Lahat kayo maganda ha. Kasama ako doon. Walang reklama ha. Okay. Ang unang tatawagin ko ay siyang first runner-up. At ang may iwan ay ang Miss STV 2025. And grand winner score will be 88.4%. Dikit po, dikit. First runner-up, 76.8. Dikit po, may point naman. Diba? Alright. As I said, our first...
Tapos na eh.
Nagugulat siya. Amazing. Napakaganda nila. Gusto mo sa akin? Alright. Our first runner-up goes to candidate 1. Hoy, punta muna kayo sa bar. May ka ba? Our first runner-up goes to candidate number... Hoy, invited ako kayo sa birthday niya, no? Hindi ka. Alright. Ito na.
7.
Our first runner-up goes to...
Maraming salamat po ulit sa lahat ng suporta nyo. PLS Radio, STC, PNB, PNC, sa mga judges, sa mga sponsors. Miss STV Praise, congratulations. Nananahimik ka dyan. Okay, dito na.
Alright, ito na! This is the moment! Hawak! Paa! Like. Alright, our first runner-up goes to candidate number... Ay, birthday ko ang number 10. Punta kayo lahat tayo. Alright, our first runner-up goes to candidate number... 1! And now, this is team grand winner, candidate number 4. Congratulations, ladies.
Dapat may pag-birthday ako.
Congratulations. Huwag ka naman niya. Hati tayo sa bahay.
Regalo pa siya sa akin.
Niya. Ano, maniningil lang. Congratulations, candidate number 4. Congratulations, first runner-up. Congratulations all of you guys, ladies. So they are reigning Miss STV 2025.
I-winner mo na.
The reigning the 2023, 2024. Congratulations, ladies.
Video.
Magpainom ka ha. Wala pa tayong picture.
Wala pa nga. Anong filter? Ano nangyari?
Walang picture ko.
Pangit. Ganyan. Walang filter. Yan mo. Pangit tuloy eh. Ikaw, maganda. May filter.
Sa cellphone mo, sa cellphone.
Ito sa kabila may